Making cold brew can be a long and thought out process. Figuring out the ratios and how to brew it can be intimidating for first time users. Today we're going to be making cold brew with the AeroPress in just 2 minutes. Welcome to the video. My name is Joe Klein, here to help you out with all your coffee, tech, and social media needs. And we're going to jump right into making cold brew with the AeroPress today. Utilizing the systems that the AeroPress already has makes it quick and easy to brew coffee. So today we're going to be using those same systems to simplify the process of making cold brew. So the first thing we're going to do is insert our paper filter like we would on a regular AeroPress brew. Now after that, we want to take 1 scoop of finely ground coffee and put that inside of our AeroPress. Now with that being done, you want to take some tap water and you want to pour it to the 1 line mark on the AeroPress. It's very important on this next step that you stir the coffee for 1 whole minute. Now after that's done, you want to gently press down on the AeroPress until all the coffee is pressed out. Just like that. And now with that being done, it's as simple as pouring that over ice and then adding a little extra water, and there you have your cold brew. Follow the same step as before and you pour that over ice, and then you fill the rest with your preferred milk. Just like that. So now the question is, how does it taste? First we're going to start off by trying the latte version of the cold brew. You can taste all the flavors of the coffee coming through the milk very well. The flavor is very delicious. So all the notes on the coffee bag I can taste coming through here, which is that orange, the floral notes, they come through very well with this drink. So in conclusion, I would like to say that this is such a quick and easy way to brew cold brew and get some rich flavors in your coffee. I would like to note that it is very important to spend at least 1 whole minute while stirring. If not, you will lose some of those rich flavor notes in the coffee. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video today, and if you would like to see similar content, I recommend that you check out my YouTube channel.